Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin now. Turn off the stove and make sure it's cool to the touch. Remove grates and any removable knobs so you can access edges. Set them aside. Wipe away loose crumbs with a dry microfiber cloth to avoid scratching. Spray a 1 white vinegar and water solution on fingerprinted or greasy areas and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes so the acid starts to break down oils. This short wait makes scrubbing easier and prevents harsh force that could scratch the steel. Once the vinegar has loosened grime, apply a few drops of mild dish soap to a warm, damp microfiber cloth and clean along the stainless steel grain. This prevents streaks and tiny scratches. For stubborn cooked-on spots, make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply it gently, rubbing in the grain direction until the spot lifts. Rinse the area with a clean, damp cloth to remove residue. Then dry immediately with a fresh microfiber to avoid water spots and to preserve that satin finish. Make sure to finish by applying a small amount of mineral oil or a specialty stainless cleaner to a clean cloth and buff along the grain to restore luster and add a protective layer. Reassemble knobs and grates, then run a quick low burner test to confirm everything is seated correctly. If you see streaks or cloudy spots, buff them away with a clean, dry microfiber. Avoid abrasive pads since they cause permanent scratches. If a stain won't budge, repeat the baking soda paste step rather than increasing force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.